The purpose of the celebration, that is the Mandela 100 years, the centenary that we are celebrating as a country, but also with the whole world. And today here, we are here to celebrate the Mandela legacy of 100 years, but also with the children now playing soccer. And I'm here also attending with the invitation of the Minister of Tourism, the Tourism International Fair here, that is dealing with only tourism.
Ny fankalazana anio dia tsy inona fa ny fankalazana ny fahazatotaonan'ny Nelson Mandela zay tsy ankalazaina any Afrika Atsimo ihany fa ankalazaina mihitsy manerana ny zao tontolo zao. Eto tsika androany mankalaza zany miaraka amin'ny reto ankizy reto ihany koa ao anatin'ny lalao baolina kitra. Eto ihany koa mamaly ny antso nandriamatoa ministra ny fizahantany andray anjara amin'ny IPM izay mitranga amin'izao fotoana izao moa zany dia izay no antony fankalazana.
And tourism is one of the sectors that, as government from South Africa, we are supporting. From a state president this year, when he opened Parliament, he told us that we must pay attention to tourism because it is a sector that employs a lot of people. So, with also the Malagasy, I think as well, they are taking tourism as one of the important sectors because we encourage our people to visit each other, come and see, and then they can learn also best practice.
Ny fizahantany dia anisan'ny sehatra lehibe izay manana ny andraikiny ao anatin'ny asa fampandrosoana ny firenena tamin'ny fotoana izay nanomboana ny fivorian'ny parlemanta tany Afrika Atsimo dia nilaza ny filoha fa manan-danja ary tokony toanana izay sehatra ny fizahantany izay ary mino fa tsy any Afrika Atsimo ihany fa ny aty Madagasikara ihany koa dia manan-danja ao anatin'ny fampandrosoana ny firenena izay sehatra ny fizahantany izay.
My goal is to see tourism growing in Madagascar, but also tourism growing in South Africa, inviting them as people, we must be able to visit Asia, know each other's countries, legacies, but we share a very good history with Madagascar, as well as the culture, arts, all those, we are in one.
Ka isika dia ray ihany sika ao anatin'ny izay hoe sehatra ny fampandrosoana izay ny fizahantany dia hoe manana ny andraikiny ao anatin'ny fampandrosoana ka sika dia afaka ny firenena malagasy Afrika Atsimo dia afaka mifampizara izay kolontsaina izay sy ilay mampiavaka atsika amin'ny alalan'ny sehatra ny fizahantany.
South Africa was very, very honored for having been agreed or accepted to celebrate this wonderful the 100th centenary year of Mandela.
Tena voninahitra lehibe any Afrika Atsimo ny fankalazana izao andron'ny Nelson Mandela izao.
I also want to say that it's also a centenary of our mother Albertina Sisulu, who's not very well known.
Akoatra ny fankalazana ny fahazatoan'ny Nelson Mandela dia izao ihany koa ny fankalazana ny fahazatoan'ny Ramatu Albertina Sisulu.
But she's also one of our heroines who fought the struggle for freedom and for a better future for us.
Izy dia anisan'ireo mahery ihany koa miaro amin'ny fahafahana ho antsika tsirairay.
I'm saying this because I don't see any girls here.
Ambalaka satria tsy mahita vehivavy mihitsy amin'ireto ankizy reto.
So I'm challenging the coaches.
Zany mampirisy ireo coach.
We also need girls to be involved.
Mila ny tovovavy andray anjara anatin'izao hetsika izao.
Mandela said to the world that a country is judged about how it treats its young people and it also treats its elders.
Dia laza tany Nelson Mandela nilaza manao hoe ny firenena anankiray na ny fiarahamonina iray dia tsaraina araka ny fomba fitondrany ny ankizy ao aminy.
And I'm happy to see that the Malagasy population and the leaders are taking care of their young people. I'm going to tell you a very small point. Deputy Minister Tabete is one of the people who led the struggle in South Africa.
Ramatu Minister Letra, Deputy Easy and Minister Nyadi, one lead of Nyadi and Luka.
Deputy Minister Tabete was appointed to Parliament at the age of 30. Want me to say anymore. Minister, please come to the
but also through our ambassador,
I'm so sorry that I'm going to
allow me then to acknowledge a few of our dignitaries here. Others of you have already done that already.
Memelaikan juga bahasa Indonesia.
UNICEF all the time, particularly with regards to women and children.
Miara-miasa amin'ny UNICEF hatrany izay mahakasika ny ankizy sy ny vehivavy.
We've got many activities which are lined up for this year.
Maro ny hetsika izay efa nomanina ho an'ity taona ity.
So you'll be seeing lots of us enjoying and contributing to development in Madagascar.
Ka dia hitanay foana ny ianareo anatin'izay sehatra izay ao anatin'ny fandraisana anjara fampandrosoana Madagasikara.
So